Today we're going to make a quick video how to install a new battery on a 2009 Toyota Tacoma V6. Okay, here is the group size. And first thing we're going to do is pick up the battery and put it right into the battery bay. Okay, after you have the battery up here, first thing we're going to do is grab this battery clamp. And there's a hole down here where it's going to engage. Just like so. And then there's another one here. And we'll just put the hook in there. Then we'll tighten this up to strap down the battery. This is a 10 millimeter. So let's go ahead and tie this down. And once you have this nice and secure, let's go ahead and remove this positive terminal cover and remove the negative and plug in the positive terminal, then plug in the negative terminal. Then we're going to go ahead and tie up the positive terminal and the negative terminal. This also takes a 10 mil, so let's go ahead and secure the positive and negative. Alright. Cool. And after you have everything nice and secured, you're done. And that is how you replace the battery on a 2009 Toyota Tacoma. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.